Students, today we are going to see a problem on physics for IIT JEE examination. An engine pulls a car of mass 1500 kg on a level road at a constant speed of 5 meters per second. If the frictional force is 1500 newtons, what power does the engine generate? So here we are having a engine. The engine pulls a car and mass of that is 1500 kg. So it is moving on a level road. So there are no ups and downs, it's a level road. And at a constant speed, the speed of that car is 5 meters per second. So 5 meters it moves per second, it moves 5 meters. If the frictional force is 1500 newtons. So when there is a movement of the car on the road, the tire of the car and the road will have a friction. So that frictional force is 1500 newtons. So there is a friction between the car tire and the road. That is given as 1500 newtons. So what power does the engine generate? So engine is a equipment which pulls the car. So it has to generate some energy or power to move the car which is 1500 kg. So we'll see the diagram. So you can see a level road. You can see a level road and a car. You can see the frictional force between the tire and the level road. So the car is moving at 5 meters per second. With 1 second the car moves 5 meters. So the mass of the car is 1500 kg. This is what given in the problem. Since the car moves at a constant velocity, that is 5 meters per second, its acceleration is 0. So the car is not accelerating, it is moving in a constant velocity 5 meters per second. So second you find it is 5 meters, third second you find it is moving 5 meters. So if it is acceleration means it is going to increase the speed, but there is no increase in speed, it is always moving 5 meters per second uniformly. So hence the engine has to do work only to overcome the frictional force. So only other work which the engine has to do is the frictional force. What is the frictional force? It is 1500 newtons, which is between the tire and the road. That is the friction which is acting between the tire and the road. Since the distance moved in 1 second is v meters, the work done, since the distance moved in 1 second by that car is v meters, the work done is given by, so work done per second or power of the engine is P is equal to friction into that velocity. So 1500 Newton is the friction into velocity, it becomes 7500. So W equal to 7.5 kilowatt. So convert that into, by dividing by 1000 you get 7.5 kilowatt. So that is the power required to generate so that the car which is weighing 1500 can move on a road, flat road with some frictional force and constant velocity. So this is the power required to generate or work done by that engine, 7.5 kilowatt.